What's up guys, Julian Goldie here, and today we're going to be talking about what a do follow backlink is and its difference from a no follow backlink. Of course, if you know a little bit about SEO and you're already aware that search engines, especially Google, consider the quality and quantity of backlinks to determine where your search results lie. Do follow and no follow backlinks are two of the types of backlinks out there, but they tell search engines two different things and each has a very different impact on its SEO. So what's the difference between do follow and no follow links? And how can you be sure you're using do follow and no follow links properly on your website? I will answer all of these questions in this video and show you exactly how to create do follow backlinks for your website and where to find good sources for them on the internet. Once you've finished watching, please remember to like and subscribe if you want more videos about SEO. So what is a do follow backlink? Okay, so what exactly is a do follow link and how does it work? Well, a do follow backlink is a link that points back to your website or blog for Google and other search engines to crawl. When we talk about acquiring backlinks to help improve your website's domain authority and page rank, we usually mean do follow backlinks. Think of it like the thumbs up button or a website that's telling search engines, hey, this is a good site and you should send more people here. Also, strictly speaking, a do follow link isn't really a thing. Do follow is simply when another website links to yours with a standard aka do follow link. The image you see here is an example of a normal do follow link in an article about easy ways to get backlinks. Here's what the code looks like behind the scenes. The more high quality do follow links you can get for your website, the more trust and authority search engines will give to your site to help you rank higher for your content and target keywords. But what about no follow backlinks and how are they different? Unlike do follows, a no follow link doesn't really pass any authority onto the website it's linking out to. If you get a no follow backlink, chances are it may not improve your rankings and transfer any page rank. As such, no follow backlinks have limited value from the SEO point of view. You should only really use them when you don't want to pass link juice from the link site. This is usually when the content you're linking to is untrusted, sponsored, user-generated, or sometimes paid for. For example, if you let people post links in comments to all sorts of shady sites, your website will pass along page rank and link juice. This is basically you vouching for a spammy website whenever someone posts a link there. You don't want to do that, so no follow these links. Also, you should perform a link audit every year or so to see whether you've linked to a site that you don't want to be associated with. Perhaps there's something scammy or some sort of hack or scandal, but for one reason or another, you still need the site for reference. So keep the link as no follow to show Google that you don't endorse that site. To the average website user, do follow and no follow links look exactly the same. However, no follow links include a small piece of code called an attribute that lets search engine bots know not to follow the link. If you want to check whether a link is do follow or no follow, all you need to do is inspect the link in your browser and check the HTML code. To do that, right click on the link in the browser and select inspect. This will bring up the HTML code associated with the link. If you see rel equals no follow, then the link is a no follow link. If you do not see rel equals no follow, then the link is a do follow link. As simple as that. How do you get do follow backlinks? Okay, so we've taken a look at what do follow backlinks are and how they are different from no follow backlinks. But now let's look at the various strategies you can use to get do follow backlinks. The first option is guest posts. So the most common way to create do follow backlinks is to write a guest post for a website that uses do follow links in their content. You can secure guest post opportunities by browsing blogs within your niche and reaching out to each website. This is not so straightforward, however, since most website owners are reluctant to link to anyone for free these days. Most of them will require some sort of monetary compensation, and the cost of this service can typically range from all the way down to like $10 all the way up to thousands of dollars for premium backlinks. Now, buying do follow backlinks is a risky business, and you need to properly analyze every link in order to get high quality backlinks and filter out the ones that you actually need a link from. That's why I recommend going with a link building agency to build links for you, because it will save you time and you get the expertise. If you'd like some do follow link building advice that's tailored specifically to your website or niche, you can also book a free consultation call with us at juliangoldie.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Also, you could turn unlinked business mentions into do follow backlinks. Another way to create do follow backlinks is to turn existing business mentions into high quality links that pass link juice value for SEO. There are two ways to do this. Firstly, you can search for your brand or company name on Google to find a list of other websites that are mentioning your business. Or you can set up a Google alert to monitor the internet for your brand or company name and get an email each time Google detects that your website is being mentioned online. Once you have a list of the sites that are mentioning your brand, check for unlinked mentions, and after you identify unlinked mentions, you need to reach out to each website mentioning you and ask if they'll add a do follow link to your site. Also, you could be interviewed. So getting interviewed on a podcast or in a YouTube video or in a written publication will most likely deliver do follow backlinks. The hosts and authors of this type of content understand the importance of SEO and link building, and therefore will typically add a do follow backlink to your site in exchange for being interviewed as an expert in your field. You could also use HARO, also known as Help a Reporter Out. I'm a big fan of using HARO as it enables you to land very high DR links for free. The link to the site is in this description. All you need to do is create a story that is somehow connected to your business and share it with journalists, hoping that some of them will publish it. If you want to know more about how I do it, I have a free video where I explain exactly how I build high quality do follow backlinks to my website with HARO. But do no follow links pass any link juice at all? There are other indirect benefits they can bring. So for example, no follow links from high authority sites can bring you traffic when people click through to your site. Personally, I wouldn't turn down a no follow link from a relevant high DA website in my niche. That's why we're doing SEO in the first place, to get the right eyeballs on your products or services. No follow links will also help you diversify your links to build a natural backlink profile. In fact, Google's Penguin update recognized that it was suspicious for a website to have all do follow links, especially if those links all had the same anchor text. My free book, Link Building Mastery, also contains more information about link building and how to cultivate a backlink profile that appears natural to search engines. To sum it up, acquiring high value do follow backlinks will help you get link juice to your site. But no follow links can also bring in valuable traffic and engagement to your site too. Unless you're an established brand, link building is something you will need to do continuously to ensure your site's backlink profile is always optimized and healthy. If you have any thoughts or even any suggestions on any of the ideas we've covered today, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.